September is usually observed as Suicide Awareness Prevention Month, and this year the theme is focused on changing the narrative on suicide with a call to action.
Suicide is a complex issue, and various organizations are working to raise awareness and enhance education on the matter. Sasha Japierre, manager at the Employee Assistance Program (EAP), emphasized the importance of addressing the sensitive topic head on during an awareness expo held at Constitution Park on Friday.
Essentially provide awareness and education, to raise awareness rather, and provide education on suicide prevention as well as matters pertaining to mental health. And today there is a collaboration with the EAP, Community Mental Health Services, and the Millennium Medical Heights Complex. We also have with SACS, who's focusing on prevention of alcohol and drug related problems.
The event aimed to engage the public by testing their knowledge and educating them on how to recognize the signs in individuals who may be struggling with suicidal thoughts.
As we begin to have a dialogue, a discussion on suicide prevention, it's really to sensitize people on how they can take care of their mental health and also to provide support to somebody. One of the things I always like to highlight is that you do not have to be a mental health practitioner to help somebody. You can help your neighbor. So by knowing the warning signs, by recognizing and knowing what to look for, you can be a source of support to somebody. One death by suicide is just too many, and if we are our brother's keeper, if we take some time to check in on somebody or pay attention to the people who are around us, we can save a life.
Organizers emphasize that their goal is to normalize conversations around mental health, encouraging open dialogue and reducing the stigma associated with it.
The response has been, I would say, encouraging to an extent, but I still make a plea for when we have these activities for people to, show up and come and get the information. But the people who have been coming so far, the response have been quite positive, and they're getting the information, they're taking the flyers, and I'm excited about that.
Moving forward, the EAP plans to shift its focus to Mental Health Awareness Month in November. Their objective is to decentralize efforts by reaching various communities across St. Lucia, spreading valuable information on how to better care for one's mental health.